Oh, hello! Welcome back to my Chanel. Now, it's no secret that I love shiny things. So for today's video, I'll be doing two completely different hair and makeup looks inspired entirely by the beautiful jewelry I'm wearing today. This video is sponsored by Italo jewelry. They reached out and sent me 4 pieces to share with you guys, and I cannot wait to show you. They are so pretty. They sell a wide variety of high quality jewelry including engagement rings, necklaces, earrings, and they even have some skulls. They offer worldwide free shipping, a 1-year warranty on the jewelry that you buy, as well as a 60-day return policy. I'll leave links down below in the description box to everything I'm wearing today, and if you'd like to shop with them, you can use my code VB20 to get 20% off. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So for my first look to go with these beautiful sapphires, I'm going to do a blue smoky eye. And I just zoomed you in a little bit there. Hi. So first I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base. This is in the shade 0.5. But a dollop on that eye and a dollop on this one. And I just take a big fluffy brush and I spread it all around my eye area, including underneath. And now that my base is properly applied, I'm gonna go into one of my favorite blue eyeshadow palettes, Blue Blood from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm gonna take a little itty bitty brush like this and go into the darkest shade, which is Undertaker. There's a beautiful dark blue, and start shaping out my outer wing. Now I'm not gonna use any eyeliner for this look, so I want the outside to be really dark and smoky. Take that wing and point it up, and we're gonna go up, up, up to lift the eyeball until you get a shape like this. Next, I'm dipping into the shade Blue Monday and just putting that right next to that first shade. Using a dense soft brush really helps when applying this color because it helps to really pack it on the eye, and it also helps diffuse it into that first color. I absolutely love this eyeshadow shade, but if you don't pack it on, it can turn a little patchy. Then for the next color, I'm using this shade called Blue Blood. And I'm just packing that right next to the Blue Monday. I think ombre eye looks are some of my favorites to do. I just love blending all the colors into each other, and when they're in the same color family, it just looks so good. Alright, we're bringing that almost to the inner corner of the eye, but not quite, because on the inner corner, I want to use this beautiful color right here called Cullinan. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. I love it, it's so sparkly. So I'm placing it down where I want it first with this tiny little brush, and then to diffuse it into the other colors, I'm gonna go back in with that same brush I used earlier. So I'm gonna softly blend out the top of the eyeshadow using that same brush, just with whatever leftover product is on it, just to make it even more smoky and diffused. And then to finish off the under eye, I'm gonna go in with a black pencil liner. And this can be messy, it doesn't really matter. Then taking that small brush we used to apply the darkest blue, just blend that out. And you want to connect it to the shadow on top of your eye. So now I'm going to throw on some eyelashes and do the rest of my face and come back to pick out the lips. And I decided to go for a more natural look because we have so much going on with the eyes. So I'm going to use my Jeffree Star lip liner in the shade Calabasas. To fill that in, I'm going to use the new Carly by Belle and Il Makiage collaboration, and the lipstick is the shade Taurus. And it's a really pretty pink nude shade. What do you think? I like this a lot. And here is the wig. I feel like a Malibu Barbie. This is my Daenerys wig from Game of Thrones. So now to pair the jewelry with this look. I'm going to be pairing these gorgeous sapphire earrings with this beautiful sapphire necklace. And this is the first look. I love how the blue in the eyeshadow complements and pulls out the blue in the jewelry, and I'm really happy with how this came out. So the first piece that I'm wearing that inspired this look today is this necklace. This is a blue topaz pear cut pendant necklace. This goes for $129.95 on their website. I like that you can customize the length of chain that you get, and mine was the 17cm option. So for the necklace itself, it has this big, beautiful blue stone right in the middle. So there's this beautiful long piece that connects right to the chain, and then it kind of wraps down and around the back of the stone itself to hold it. And then we have all of these smaller stones inlaid into the wraparound piece. And I love how sparkly this is. It catches the sun beautifully. And the second piece for this look are these gorgeous earrings. These are the Halo Heart and Pear Cut Blue Drop earrings. These are $99 on their website. These are made out of sterling silver. They also have sapphires in them, and the stone color is blue. The minute I saw these on the website, I knew I had to have them. I just love the stone colors so much. It reminds me of the necklace from the Titanic. I also love that it has two different cuts in one piece, where it has the heart in the top, right in the post, and then it has the oval cut for the dangling piece. I was really impressed with the quality of these. The stone cut itself is so gorgeous. There are so many facets and it really sparkles in the sunlight. And I love that it's sterling silver so it won't tarnish. I really love the packaging that these come in as well. They come in these beautiful white boxes with blue ribbon. And then this is what the inside looks like. And aside from the jewelry in the box, it also comes with some cards and a silver polishing cloth. And then it also has a sterling silver certificate, which lets you know how much silver is in your jewelry. This is definitely the fanciest jewelry set I have ever worn in my whole life. I feel so bougie. So what do you guys think of this look? Let me know down below in the comments. I could definitely see myself wearing these to like a fancy ball or dinner event, but also to a casual lunch. So that is look number 1, and now on to look number 2. As you can see, my base is already done and I have a black lip, and I'm going to be using the Il Maquillage Hustler palette. This is their Color Boss Squad, and it has some gorgeous silver tones. So take my P. Louise base and put that on my eyeballs. As you can see, they are a little stained from our last look. Use a fluffy brush to diffuse. So sorry, I forgot to zoom you in. There we go, I'm just putting that all over my eyeball. And then taking a flat packing brush, I'm going to start using this darkest shade here. And I'm putting that on the outside of my eyes as well as on the inside. We're going to go for a halo eye look for this one. There we go, if you kind of look like a raccoon, you're doing it right. You can also bring that color underneath your eyes. Next, I'm going to use the silver shade right here and put that right next to the black, overlapping it a little bit as well, leaving some space in the middle for the lightest shade. I love how metallic this silver is. It looks so cool. Alright, and then when that's done, I'm going to take my finger and the lightest shade in this palette and just put that in the middle of my eye. If you ever want to get a lot of pigment out of a shimmer shadow or metallic shadow, using your finger is the way to go. Now I'm just going to blend that gently upward. Try to help cover up this stained skin from our last look. Then using a fluffy brush, I'm just diffusing the edges. Give it a really smoky look. Going underneath the eye as well. And now I'm going to add some eyeliner. I'm using the ColourPop liquid liner. And for lashes, I'm going to use these ones. Aren't they so cute? I found these at the dollar store. They were $1. They're the brand Ione. And look at the little sugar skull packaging. It's so cute. These are in, I almost said the shade, the Style Sophia. And of course my eye won't stop watering, so I have to wait for that to finish. And that's the eyes all done. I really like how fluffy these lashes are. Oh my gosh, I feel like a Tim Burton character. My eyes are very spooky. I'm going to refresh my lipstick, and I'm using the color Ink from Sophisticat Cosmetics. And this is the wig for this look. I love it. I call it my hot grandma wig. I just love how bouncy the curls are and how it looks all wavy. So now let's add the jewelry. This set also came in a box with the polishing cloth and the certificate of authenticity. And these skull earrings are the simple mill-grain double skull design drop earrings for $85.24. These are sterling silver plated. I love that these earrings are all silver. They have some really cool detailing along the outside of the hoops. Of course, they have a big, beautiful silver skull, and the pendant is engraved on both sides. And then on the post, there is a cute little mini skull, which I love. It is so adorable. And these are post earrings. It's the perfect size, too. It's not too big, but it also isn't too small where you can't see the details of the skull. Ah, look at that. So pretty. I love them so much. I think these are my favorite thing. We have a ring, and it has a skull on it, of course. And this skull ring is the Milgrain Skull Design Split Shank U-Pay Round Engagement Ring. This was $146.58. This is also made out of sterling silver, and this has white sapphires in it, which is amazing. Now, I got this big enough to wear on my pointer finger because I have my other skull ring here, so this is a perfect match. I love that this goes down into a V shape for vessel, of course. This has beautiful tiny stones all along the V, and of course the silver skull at the top. So now I have my skull collection all complete. So that is it for doing my hair and makeup inspired by my jewelry. I had a lot of fun doing this. It was nice to do something a little bit different and out of my comfort zone, so hopefully you enjoyed it too. I think it's safe to say that I am probably the most extra person where I live in my little town, so now I will be even more sparkly and extra. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!